This is the DeWalt DCH253 SDS Plus Rotary Hammer. Designed for drilling through holes and fixing holes into concrete, brick, stone and masonry. The rotary hammer can also be used for chipping and chiselling when in the hammer-only setting. The DCH253 has a no-load speed of 0 to 1200 RPM and an impact energy of 2.1 joules. It's for use with SDS Plus drill bits from 4mm to 24mm. Low vibration levels of 6.6 meters per second squared minimises user fatigue for prolonged use. I'll now show you how to use the DCH253. First, you need to set the side handle to the position that's comfortable for you. Tighten it up to make sure it's secure. Place your SDS Plus drill bit inside the tool and push it into the chuck until you hear the click. Take your 18-volt battery, place it onto the tool, and you're ready to start drilling. You can also use this SDS rotary hammer for chiselling. First, remove the battery. Then pull the chuck back and release the drill bit. You can take a chisel bit, SDS Plus chisel bit, and place that into the chuck. Again, push until you hear it locate. You've got 3 modes on the side of the drill. You've got a rotary only, rotary with hammer, and hammer only. For the chiselling function, for removing things like tiles, place it into the hammer only mode. This way you won't get the rotation from the drill bit, you will just get the hammer function. Place your 18-volt battery into the tool and you're ready to start chiselling. The DCH253 will be supplied as a bare unit and is available for £129 during the FFX Winter Tool Show.